Hello and welcome. In this video I'm working on the 86 again, and I picked up a mystery header. Also bought a open flash tablet, that way we can tune it and gain a few more horsepower, get rid of that torque curve. If you don't know, these cars have a terrible mid-range torque curve, so it's like not very much power in mid-range, and a header and a tune is supposed to help with that. So that's what I'm doing today. I picked this up, pretty inexpensive, probably not the smartest thing to do, but it is used. It has quite a few thousand miles on it, but we don't know what it is. Can't find any name brands on it. Wheels look good, nothing's cracked, and it came with 2 sensors, and it was cheap. So I'm just gonna try it out, see how it does. First thing I'm gonna do before I put it on, I'll take the old one off, is I'm gonna wrap this header with some heat wrap. Okay, I got the header all wrapped up. Got the ends safety weld wrapped up so it doesn't unfray. Now I gotta pull the car in the garage and start taking the old one out. Okay, car's in the garage, and it's all jacked up. First thing I gotta do is take this bottom paneling off for like the 100th time. I feel like I've done this a few times now. Okay, skid plate is off. I have access to the header, which is that big thing there. I think first thing I need to do is take off the overpipe, which is those 2 bolts, and unhook and also unbolt it from the head itself. There's 3 bolts there and 3 bolts on that side. Not much room to work here, so this footage probably look like shit. Okay, a few hours later, it is finally out. This was supposed to be a pretty easy process. It wasn't. It fought me. As you can see, this one's a lot bigger. It's a lot heavier than the new one.
I'm not fat. I'm big boned.
It's also a equal length pedal. The new one is an unequal length pedal, which is going to give me that Subaru boxy rumble that we all like. Even though a equal length header will give you more horsepower, I wanted the sound, so I like the rumble sound. So it's supposed to be a pretty easy task, and it being a pain in the butt. First of all, I ended up having to disconnect the mid pipe from the catback. That way I can have room for the studs to clear the up pipe or over pipe. And once I get out of the way, I couldn't pull the header out because the flange was hitting the motor mount, and it did not want to come out. After a lot of prying, still couldn't come out. Watched 100 videos and forums, and nobody else had this issue. So I ended up having to disconnect that motor mount and raise the engine up a little bit. That way I can swivel this a little bit just to get the header out. Okay, now I can put this one on. Normally you'll swap your O2 sensors all over, but this unit already had some. And install new gaskets. Okay, the new header is in. Everything's bolted up. It went in a lot easier than it came out. And all that's left is to put the skid plate back on. Also, if you don't know, the O2 sensors plug in here. So let's undo those, and just unclip it. You know, pretty simple. Now we gotta put that skid plate back on. Okay, the skid plate is back on. Soft jack stands. Next, I get to install open flash tablet. Done. Okay, I just plug the cable into your OBD2 ports underneath the steering wheel like it is most cars. Right now I'm downloading the tune that's on here, so I'll have it saved to the device, so I can always go back to it if I need it. So it's actually the next day, because when I went to put the tune on the tablet, there was no tunes on it, so it was empty. So I had to email FT Speed, which is who I bought it from, which was what you're told to do. That way they can email you back, which was kind of a waste of time. I ended up wasting like 24 hours waiting for an email from them, when all they did was send me a video and a link to the tablet's website. So I recommend just going straight to the website and getting your tunes and the software from them. I'll put a link in the description to link for the website, and also a link to the video to help you install the tunes onto the tablet itself. Okay. Okay, she's done. She's a little bit more of that boxy rumble. Okay, now that the header's on, tune's on, we can take it for a test drive, see how she sounds, see the performance has improved. Okay, I'm back. Well, I've actually been back for a while now. It might have taken me a few weeks to end this video. But other than that, I've done a lot of testing. I've driven the car quite a bit. And I do not regret buying this header. I can definitely feel a difference. I mean, it's not a huge difference. I'm just going by my butt dyno. But I can definitely feel the mid-range torque curve a lot better than it was. So if you have one of these cars, it is highly recommended to get a header. It will make a difference. Since then, I did a track day at NCM, the 2 days of HPD, where I got on pretty hard. I can definitely feel the power difference coming out of the corners, where before it was, that's where the car kind of sucks at. So definitely an improvement there. The car is a little louder than it was, especially on the highway, a little drony, but it's bearable. But other than that, it's good. Maybe in sometime in the future I will do a up pipe. Probably should have done it when I had the exhaust out, but yeah, I'll just do it later. So I'll save that for another video. But until then, peace. Hey, you're still here? Well, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. But if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. That'd be pretty awesome. Or check me up on Instagram. I'm always posting a bunch of random shit there. Always doing crazy things. And need more videos to watch? Check out one of these. But until next time, peace out. Don't do anything I'll do.